Yesgod, Chester, it's your boy Kevin, the Kev Yesgod, Yesgod TV, man. I promise respect. Listen, this is the official video of the July 1st to the 4th extravaganza down Chester Park, man. Naughty by Nature and Dougie Fresh live in Chester, Pennsylvania. And guess what? I have all access live in HD. Chester, PA, pay attention, man. And shout out to the City of Chester Council, the mayor's office, all y'all. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to go live like this, man. That means y'all really respect me, and I just want to bring it to y'all. So, Chester, pay attention, man. It's your boy Kevin, Kev Yesgod. I promise respect.
Can't stop, see my name on the map. You don't care when you sell, double up. You don't believe I'm on the world, double up. We'll play around. Lay down, cause there's only 91, but they know me now. Young mother, we can go to town. They know TV, slow me down, cooler. Show me to the game, now no duty. Say one, stay
It's time to race a face and force and back and incredible. Eyes in my eyes, you can nod so they can let know you fight. Play the hex up and dread. The streets clap loud like other clowns for the women. I'm stepping, the bounce fine, looking with the hawk in the arrow eye. Turn the biggest part of your hide into the narrow side. I'm in case your place, how you feel the trigger, so you're thinking, beat, you crash fast, peace, getting busy like Rashid Street in Baghdad. And the kids asking why did they have to drug though? Masters of beat and let's have some flashbacks. Wait above the river for the party, I'm from Jersey, leaving homies acting nerdy back. 30 my dirt, but I only mess with this. Doing hits on my clutch and the stick. Come on, I do my turn up on my lonely. Find a pony, pass the mass, one deep, turn it up. Do or die, rich love, pulling patrol and in a solar black Cooper, do my turn up on my lonely. Hey, can't nobody hold me. I do my turn up on my lonely. Do or die, rich love, pulling patrol and in a solar black Cooper. One man trying to speak. Don't you know that every artist on your label don't equal half of me? Women lyrics like they supposed to be. Most of me, probably drinking and stealing and close to me. check it out. To the bring a dawn. On and on and on. On and on and on. Check it out. Somebody on the exit. Say hell yeah. Say naughty. Just scream. Let's go for the rude boy, bad old boy, new and old school boy. Now I try to take out all the school boys. And don't get out a touch. You just get a code for a peer sign on your foot. Yeah, we had a thing slangers, body boom banger. Breaking in your car with a hanger. Damn real, I'm gonna live it up. Never forget that cut on my back watching the girls. Hold up. Can we have your attention, please? Give a little right on the house, man.
What's up, boy? Hurry! Put that thing down, boy.
I'm out here, man. All right, I'm out here. Huh? They're going to on the inside. Look.
You came to see him. People all standing up in the front. Girl said, ow, fella said. Girl said, ow, fella said. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. Do you want to stop and y'all say? Do you want to stop and y'all say? Do you want to stop and y'all say? I said I got it because it's time for me to. Chester got the Chester got the Chester got the Chester got the. Let me see you get your Dougie on. Let me see you get your Dougie on. Let me see you get your Dougie on. Get it on, get it on, get it on. Hey, let me see you get your Dougie on. Let me see you get your Dougie on. Come on, let me see you get your Dougie on. Get your Dougie on. All day activities, winging competition, moon bounces, face painting, balloon sluggers, and all that Saturday and Sunday. Live performances by Tony Terry, Force MPs. And Sunday night we capping off with Rolls Royce and the fireworks. The city of Chester's annual 4th of July celebration. How you doing there, man? PS2 High School. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. Can I get a picture with you? Come on. Thank you. Let me get the picture. All you gotta do is just try to hold on. I ain't got it. Give me some room. Chester, the people out here, the vibe, you can tell the creator's strong out here. The energy is beautiful. Yo, let me tell you something. I'm coming back, no question. The families, the love. This is real, y'all. I'm glad I came. Hey, Deff. We glad you came too, brother. We got some hands. We got some young guys want to shake your hand.
Hold your picture so I can take picture, your picture. Get him back.
Chester is unbelievable. The energy, you can tell, like I said, creators in here. The people are very, very deep, very good.
Did you ever come back?
No question.
We love New York, baby.
I come back.
We coming back. We coming to New York.
And come to my restaurant. Come and see me.